Hey everybody, wanted to update you one last time on my project status and kind of show you what I've been able to do. Last time I showed you some of the resources I have used that I have documented on my Evernotes and my Delicious pages, and I wanted to show you kind of where I'm putting all my research. I made a website that you can access at the web address here, web.me.com/bhamlin/iteach/home.html. And this site, I have some stuff I'm still working on, but I have some pages down here linked. For example, I have my CSE 611 research website linked right here, and when you click that, it takes us to the main page for this particular class and this project. And from this home page, we can go back to the iTeach website here. We can go to my 43 Things page here and look at the progress of my research project, and then my Delicious page here where I have more bookmarks and links to resources I found useful. I also have at the top a couple other pages off of this site, my research blog that has my video updates, including this one, so you can keep track of what I've been doing and how I've been doing it. And then I have my references with all the websites, books, podcasts, blogs, and so forth that I use to conduct my research. So if we go back to the home page of this project site and then back to the iTeach website, just a few things here. I have a blog site where I review articles and websites and other literature. I have a site that just lists those articles, journal articles, and websites, and provides links to some of those. I have a podcasting tutorial site, and then this application development site is kind of the main goal of my project, learning how to create iPhone applications and then show you all how to make them. So if we go to that site, we have a site that is basically an application development tutorial. We have steps up here at the top. The first page is going to be downloading the tools necessary to get started, and I have a YouTube video tutorial here that I made, and then underneath that I have screenshots that guide you through the process of downloading and registering for the developer software. Once you have all that, you go to the next step, which includes getting started with the software that you need to program the iPhone. And again, I have a video tutorial and the screenshot image tutorial. And then the next steps are actually creating your application and saving and viewing the application. And again, a video tutorial as well as the image screenshots. So that's kind of what I've done for my project, and I'm pretty pleased with how everything has turned out. And I wanted to show you one last thing that I have been able to do with my goal of programming iPhone applications in mind. And I wanted to show you the application that I created just recently that is kind of as far as I've been able to go so far. So here I have Xcode, and my iPhone simulator will show exactly what my application looks like. If I hit my home button here, this is the one I've made most recently. If I click on the button, CSE 611, takes me to this read-only application. But if I go home again, I can click on this one, and this is a more interactive application. So you'll see a number of different things going on here. If I click in this name field, I can actually type a name or click out of it. Click in the number field, type in a number, drag this slider and it changes the number on the side there. I can hide these switches or show them, turn them on and off. For some reason they're not independent of each other. And then this button down here, I can click to do something. I can agree to do that, and then a text box comes up. So pretty interactive, and you can kind of already see some uses for this one in terms of searching for a name and number, like a directory search for Western Oregon maybe. So some pretty cool implications for this type of application. So that's where I am now. Quite a bit of work to do. As you'll see here in Xcode, there was a ton of actual typing in the code, and the book I purchased actually gave me all this code, so all I had to do was sit and copy it in there, but I'm still not entirely sure what it all means. So I guess that's the next step, is to figure out what it all means and how to do it myself. So thanks for the support, and thanks for watching, and hopefully if you have time and would like to learn how to do this kind of thing, you'll find the resources that I've posted in these videos to be helpful. And one last thing here, I actually have my applications downloaded to my iPhone. I am a registered developer, paid the yearly fee and whatnot, so I can actually now test my applications on my phone and even upload my applications to the application store and make them available to anybody. So if I go into my application here, you'll see it on my phone. I can touch the various fields, my keyboard comes up, I can type in my name, I can click out of that, type in a number, click out of that, grab this slider, slide it around, show and hide that switch box, drag those sliders left and right, touch this button, and make the text box show up. So very cool stuff, and now I can take my applications wherever I go, and who knows, if I become good at this, maybe even put them on the App Store for everybody to download.